Hello, welcome to my channel. Yes, today we are going to do this easy and simple yummy tomato chutney done in typical Bengali style. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we encourage home cooking. So we do very easy and simple dishes which can be easily done at home. Like this one, tomato chutney, typically done in most of the Bengali families. Let us quickly check out the ingredients. Now just enjoy the cooking. Later I will give you a list of the ingredients with the quantity specification. Some tomatoes, ginger grated, salt, sugar, some fenugreek seed or methi seeds, mohri sauf or fennel seeds, some bay leaves or tej pata, and some dried red chilies. And finally, hint of oil for making this yummy tomato chutney. So let's get started. Heat a pan and then add a very small quantity of oil. With the spatula, just spread the oil on the pan uniformly and then add the tej pata or bay leaves and the red chili. And now add the mohri sauf or fennel seed, whatever you call it, and the fenugreek seed or methi. Then a small quantity of the grated ginger and mix all well for around say half a minute, not more than that. Then add the diced tomatoes. We have cut the tomatoes into small pieces, you can see. And now we will be adding the salt, a small quantity of salt, and mix the salt with the tomato pieces and cover it and leave it for around 1 to 1.5 minutes. Mixed with the salt, the tomatoes have started releasing juice from inside and they have also gone soft. So at this point we'll take off the lid and mix everything all well together. Gently pat on the tomato pieces. They will become more soft and release more juice from inside. Do this for some time till the tomatoes go very soft, and now add the sugar portion. The quantity of sugar may vary as per your taste buds. Now mix the sugar well with the tomato gravy so that we get an uniform taste in the chutney. The typical Bengali home style tomato chutney. Now cover it and leave it for around 2 minutes at low temperature. Do press the thumbs up button below to let us know that you have enjoyed watching this video. Now open the lid after around 2 minutes and again mix everything well. Typically this tomato chutney is taken after a complete rice meal by the Bengalis to enhance digestion process. Do subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box, for more such easy and simple recipes. Now add around 1.5 to 2 cups of water and again mix everything well. Allow it to go to a boil. Now I will be checking the chutney is ready or not. I mean the sugar and the salt level, that's very important. Let it boil for some time. In between, let me give you the list of the ingredients as discussed earlier that I'll give you later. Do take a screenshot of this so that you can refer to this later or share it with your loved ones. Allow the chutney to settle for around 5 minutes in the pan after you have switched off the heat. And now take off the bay leaves. আমার ভীষণ বিরক্ত লাগে যখন কেউ তেজপাতার সাথে খাবার সার্ভ করে. And also take out the red chili. And our typical Bengali home style tomato chutney is ready. Do make it at home and in the comment section write how you enjoyed it. Till then, take care. Bye. See you in the next video.